Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a short tutorial on how to upload YouTube video effectively. Because if you choose to upload your long form videos from your YouTube app, there are some features that are not that you'll not be able to set effectively. So while doing that, so in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to upload your videos on YouTube. So right now, if you come to your dashboard this way, there is an upload video icon at this point, so you now click on it. So now once you click on it, you can either drag and drop, or you click on select file. So now once you now click on select file, you now navigate to where your videos are. You locate the file, the folder, and then you now proceed to select the video. So now once you've seen the video, you click and you now click on open. So right here, automatically the video will start uploading. As you can see, it's 8% already. And then the first provision here is the title of the video. So now let's proceed and erase everything here. So we'll now proceed and we'll now insert the title. So right now, this is the title. You can as well copy, and then in your description, I don't really write a lot of description for my video, and then you now put your hashtag. So now once you're done with that, the second step is to upload your thumbnail. You click on upload file, then you now search for your thumbnail. So now here is the thumbnail. You click and you now click on open. So now once you click on open, you see the thumbnail here automatically. The next one here is your playlist. So you now click on the drop down, and then if you have list of playlists, if you want to create a new one, you now click on new playlist. You now, since it is a long form video, not a podcast, you now click on new playlist. And then let's go with how to draw BMW cars. Okay, so we can also use that here as your description of your playlist. So you now Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then you want to make it public, and then you now click on create. So if you want to add the video to more than one playlist, you can click, but if you don't want to, you just click on it and you now click on done. You now proceed to the next icon, which is the kind of audience. So this video is not meant for kids. I've already set it permanently for the channel. So if you want to see more options, you click on see more, and you now proceed to this point where you see, if it's an altered content, you click on no. And then at this point, if you want to write your your tags, if you want to generate the right tags for your YouTube video, there's a website that make use of. It is called rapidtags.io. You just search for the keyword, and then if it is just a car, you put a car. Let's say we are uploading a BMW car. So now once you click on it, you search, you now see all your tags now will be about BMW cars. So you now proceed and you copy. You come to this point, you now paste your tags. So now once you paste your tags rather, you now see the video language is English. The day you are uploading it is on the 26th. And then if you want to put location for your video, but I don't really care about that, so you now scroll down to this other point, because my content is educational content, so they want to know the kind of content I'm creating. So from here, you now proceed and you now click on next. So now once you click on next, so right now this point for your end screen, you now click on ads. So now once you now click on add, you see a provision whereby if you want to import from your latest video, if you want to select this template, that means you import from your latest video. But if you select this one, it means they will now, at the end of your video, YouTube algorithm will feature one of your video and subscribe icon for someone to subscribe to your channel. If you click on this one, it means that somebody, the algorithm rather, will now feature one of your playlists and subscribe. And then I basically make use of, I make use of this one, that they will now feature 2 of my videos. So once you now click on it, you see it will now recommend the best video for audience and then your most recent upload. I make use of this one because it helps the algorithm to recommend the video that has the highest numbers of views and to keep ranking. So now once you're done with that, you now click on save. So now once you click on save, the other one is card, to promote related content during your video. So now if you're watching YouTube and you see somebody will now said, if you want to watch a video that I created on how to draw an Audi car, check the link up here. They'll be making reference to a link up there. This is what card is, trying to feature a related video. So right now this is still a card drawing. So since it is a video I want to use as my card, I will now click on the plus sign. Then I will now use one of the Audi car that I've uploaded. And then if I still want to add more cards, I will now drag this to this point. I will now click on this plus sign. I will now click on video. Then let me now feature this guy also, you see. Then if I want to add more too, this is how you continue doing that. After, once you throw, you click on save. So you now proceed and click on next. The reason why this one has limited processes because this channel is not yet monetized. So if it's a monetized channel, you see monetization, you see ads suitability check, you see a lot of them here. So now once you're done with this, you click on next and then you click on public. Since everything has been completed, there is no copyright, you click on public and you now click on publish. Then if you wish to share to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook, to your X, email and all of that, you proceed and you share. But if you don't want to, you now click on close. You can either close at this point or you close here. But if you want to copy your video link, you now click here as well. So this is how to upload video the right way to your YouTube channel. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.